Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop in Transmissions. I did an earlier video a while back on this Ford pickup truck. Client brought this in, redid the transmission in it. And if you watch the last video, go back and watch the last video. You understand what I'm talking about. So this is actually a follow-up video. So it's going to be short. See, they got the engine back in there and got the angle much better. I had to go through and remake the engine frame mounts because somebody had put this engine in this truck. It's a 351 modified, and I don't know how well you can see it, but I had to make frame mounts down there on both sides, of course. And to get the engine and transmission angle right. A lot better looking in there now, and I got to drive it up the road a little bit today to make sure the transmission shifted gears good and everything, and still got a little tweaking on it to do yet, but other than that, it's setting back down on the floor now, as you can tell, and transmission's working. It's running a lot better. I mean, the angle was so steep on the engine and transmission. Okay, you see where it's about like that now. It was like that much. I mean, it was seriously tilted. And the current owner bought it like that, from what he told me. And of course, you know, he didn't know. He didn't pay no attention to that. He just wanted a truck. He was driving it one day a couple of months ago, and transmission stopped working in it. And whoever had put this engine in before him also put a FMX transmission in it. There's a lot of people out there that don't like the FMX transmissions, including me. I'm not a big fan of them. And but so he took the transmission out and brought it to me, and while he was standing here, I took it apart and showed him that it had some pretty serious internal damage, that I would rather him just bring me another transmission, in which case he did. I rebuilt it. It was a lot better core to rebuild, and so I rebuilt it, and but then I had other jobs coming in, so it was kind of hard to concentrate on just this one job here. So, but it's in there. It seems to have a better ride to it. You know, it's funny how engine angle makes a difference in that, but it does. All right, well, like I said, I was going to keep this video brief. I don't really have much else to say or show, but I'll try to get under here. This truck sits pretty low now. You can see it's got open headers. I don't enjoy driving this truck when I'm trying to test out the transmission. It's annoying, but anyway, yeah, that's it. All right, guys, if you like this kind of content, remember to check out the part 1 video of this little job, which turned out to be a big job. But anyway, check it out. And if you like this kind of content, click on that subscribe button and check out other videos on my channel. There's some other build videos, transmission videos, my dragsters on there, and a few videos, whatever. But yeah, if you like the content, click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. All right, guys, thanks for watching.